In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to make your website fast, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New from here. Here let's search for Autoptimize in the search bar. So we get all the related results, and first one is what we are looking for. It has 1 million plus active installations, last updated 2 weeks age, compatible with your version of WordPress. Now click on Install Now to install it. Then click on Activate button. Then go to Settings and select Auto Optimize. Here check this box to optimize JavaScript code. Next, check this box to optimize CSS code. Then also check another box to optimize HTML code and finally click on Save Changes and Empty Cache button. Once done, let's move to the Images tab and here check Optimize Images box. Then we have Load WebP or AVIF in supported browsers. Next is Lazy Load Images, check this as well along with the previous one and save changes. Then go to Critical CSS tab and from here you can improve first paint times by removing render blocking CSS. Here you need to enter your API key, go to this criticals.com link for this key. Next we have Extra tab, for extra auto optimization. Here select Remove Emojis and save changes. Last we have Optimize More tab, here we have power-ups and related services to improve your site performance even more. You can see them all over here with More Info button to get more information. So this is how you can make your website fast. Thank you for watching.